Hello, students. My name is Begzat. I am senior lecturer of tourism school. I will teach you during this whole semester in geography of international tourism. Today's lecture is introduction lecture because it's first week. That's why I will introduce the whole lecture of today's subject. Let me firstly introduce learning objectives of today's lecture. First one, it's describe factors that influence bilateral tourism flows. It means that tourism, domestic, any types of domestic or international types of flows, it's really important and it can be influence different factors. And secondly, identify why tourism is politically selective activity. And third one, analyze the role of geography to the international tourism. Firstly, let me explain what is it geography in tourism in general. It is tourism geography. It links to the study of spiritual and environmental aspects of tourism, focusing on economic and cultural and environmental consequences of traveling away from home or away from your place. It's generated this explanation was generated from International Encyclopedia of Social Behavior Science. And also you can find different definition of geography in tourism. It's easiest way to understand. In this slide, you can see the dimension of travel or tourism geography. It was divided to three types. It's first one, human geography, and second one, and cultural geography, and third one, physical geography. Let me introduce step by step. What is it? It's first one, cultural geography. It can be different way to understand the local inhabitants of where to go, where your tourist destination. It can be economic geography or historical geography, but it's really important. But all of them called human geography or human being. And second one, it's hydrological and also climatological. It's soil geography, and all of them physical geography. As you can see here, cultural geography, it will related to culture. Other things which is man-made objects, it can be building different tourist attractions. It can be, it depends on types of tourism. Also, it's human geography. Other things, it's related to geography. What is it, the geography of international from what is difference between tourism geography and international tourism? It refers to study the location and destinations that attract tourists from around the world, not only local level. It can be world level. It includes analysis of factors such as climate, culture, natural attractions. It can be waterfalls. It's infrastructure and accessibility that make certain place more popular and tourists. Geographers are concerned with the tension between globalization and local diversity. What is it? Nowadays, the number of tourists or majority of tourists choose different tourist destination, and also the number of tourists are increasing. That's why it's one of the factors is globalization, where modern technologies and communication pull people into greater culture interaction. It means that every nation or culture will mix or blend together. It's before it used to be like in one place, in one nation, or two or more. But nowadays, a lot of people, for example, tourist destination as a London, we can see different nations or different tourists which can travel around the world from around the world. Like local diversity, it's also another level. It's in local. Where locals search new ways to express unique culture tradition. It can be choose like small size destinations or unpopular destinations, which is very also nowadays popular to go. Here you can see a very important video to your which is related to today's lecture, and also you can understand properly the importance of geography in tourism and also international tourism. In conclusion, geography provides the essential background against which tourism places or destinations create environmental or also other cultural background impact to measure issues, which is also very crucial to solve it. And secondly, that should be concerned in many the development of tourism destination properly, not just develop mass tourism. It should be create sustainable tourism. In the next following lectures, I will introduce the new tendency of geography of international tourism. That's why it's important to know the sustainable development of tourism. And also, thirdly, tourism can be domestic or international, as you know, and international tourism has both income and outgoing, which is influenced to the profit of country, profit of tourism company. And also, finally, tourism has become a major source of income for many developed country, even developing country, and it really affects from the local and the global economy, and also it's really related to the geography in some cases. Also, it can be more important in the future. If you have any question about today's lecture or any suggestion regarding this presentation or today's lecture, you might send to me to my email address. And also I send to you the tasks today's lecture, and please be active and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.